hello to all of my beautiful friends. I hope you're doing great. I'm so happy that I'm back today with one more video. Today I'm going to introduce one of our most popular styles and text effects, which is this metallic chrome. So beautiful and attractive text effect, which allows you and helps you to convert your text or logo in less than 5 minutes into this so beautiful and detailed style. Honestly, I can just tell you, our chrome styles, there's nothing like it, and you won't find it anywhere except hyperpix.net. And just check out the details and the quality, which our designers have spent hours to design this template and all the other styles, so it be perfect. And on their behalf, I'm going to show you how to work with our products and enjoy. So if you're familiar with our other products, this style works great on all different languages. For example, this is how it works on Japanese. Just check out the great details, and it looks perfect, just like the English. So you can use it on any phone you have in mind. There's no limits with the language and with the phone. Also, this style works great on logos. So towards the end of the video, I'm going to test it on a logo, and you're going to see how easy it is to do so, and you're going to love it. So if you want to download this style, just refer to hyperpix.net, join the VIP membership, and access this style and hundreds of different templates with no limits, and use them in your personal and commercial projects. So don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and follow me to the end of the video. So let's get started. To edit the main text, just need to right click on the layer and click edit content. So in the window which appears right here, we have one group which contains two layers, which is the top and the bottom text. You can also just have one text and use it. You just need to place the text right in the center. For example, I'm going to use both right here. The fonts are changeable. I'm just going to type my text just like this, metallic, just like this. So we do the same with the bottom text, simple, and here we go. So it's so easy to work with this part of the style. You can make any changes. If any of the characters are connected, you can just increase the distance just like this. You have a perfect control on every single character. So notice that our text has like a little bend, which you see right here. If you want to change it, you just need to select the text tool, right click, and select warp text. So over here you can handle the bend, and we have a slant right here which you can increase it or lessen the level of it. You're totally free, and you can decide. It's in your hands. So also we have the same here. I'm going to just lessen the distance right here, also here, and perfect. So I'm just going to place it right in the center. Everything's okay and ready. So we're going to close and click save until our beautiful style is applied. So as you see, it's so fantastic. Everything's applied totally automatic, and our text is converted into our beautiful style. So let's get on with the rest of the layers. We have the sparkles folder here, which are these sparkles. As you see, there are in two different colors. For example, we have purple and green right here, which you just need to select them one by one and drag them on the edges of the text, I suggest, as mostly the sparkles are used at the corners. Just place the green ones on the green parts and the purple ones on the purple patches. So if you want to have a beautiful realistic light reflection, just try to place them on the edges and the corners. Just need to have a little patience and It might take you a few seconds to place the sparkles on the right place until you have the greatest and the most professional result. So we do the same with the green ones. Place them on the green sections. So for example, on the white parts right here, and here we go. So you can also remove some of the sparkles which if you think they're too much or they're extra. Also you can get copies of the sparkles with all and drag them all over your text. It could be a little faster than searching for them one by one. So however you like. So we're done right here. We have two more texts right here which you can edit them. You're totally free, or you can move their place and move them around. For example, you can even switch them off. We have the effects group right here, which I suggest you to ignore it because it contains the main layers of our beautiful style, which our designers have made all of their changes right here. We have the background folder right here, which contains this cute light down here, and also at the corners, which you can adjust the contrast, for example, increase it. Just check out this part. Or you can also change the color. You just need to, from this section, activate and have your favorite color, just like this. So we have a little smoke right here, which you can just switch it off, just like this. So this was our style, and as you see how it works on a text. So now we're going to try it on a logo and see how the result is going to look. So we come back to this window. I'm going to insert my logo into this group. So I'm going to select my logo, bring it right here. We don't need this text. Just place the logo right in the center. Guys, just notice that the logo has to be in this group, not at the top. And the style has to be applied on your logo or text, so you can have it perfectly. So just don't forget to make all your changes in this group. So close and click save. And so beautiful. Our style is applied to our logo, and now the only thing we need to do is to just place the sparkles in their right place, just as we done earlier with the text, so you know what to do. So you're totally free, and it's based to your likings, and you can place as many as you want. So I'm not going to take your time. I'm going to show you how the final result is. And as you see, how beautiful. Just check out the details. So I hope you enjoyed this template, and thanks for following us to the end of the video. Thanks for watching. So if you like this style, just refer to hyperpix.net, join the VIP account to access this style and hundreds of different templates and use them in all your different projects. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Also, don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Bye till next video.